This is Alard, item Y4800. It is a Rietz EXTRUCTOR Model RE-24. We don't recommend that you do this at home. Don't run anything without the guard on it. We do have a nice stainless steel guard here to put on this, but we couldn't resist showing off this beautiful new bull gear here and show you the chain and how nice and clean everything is underneath. Lets you kind of see under the kimono, so to speak. It is a stainless steel block grinder, and you can get a look inside here. We are going to turn this on in a minute and show you how well it runs. I should mention there is a 75 horsepower electric motor under here, 3-phase obviously. Big heavy gear reducer. Stainless steel frame, of course. Okay, Dr. Frankenstein, throw the switch. Oh, there she goes. And you can see the wheels of the bus go round and round. We'll go over here to the business end. And this big, powerful machine does just what it's supposed to do. And just in case you thought I was kidding, here are the stainless steel chain guards for the chain sprocket drive, which we will be putting on as we button this machine up. But again, we couldn't resist showing off that beautiful new gear and the how clean and nice everything is on this baby. And I will take you up and show you the hopper while I'm out and about. Try not to drop my phone in the process. Let me just zoom out a little bit here, give you a little better perspective perhaps. Here is the hopper and what do they call that, a rotor? So again, we'll show you these nice chain guards that will go on the machine after we get done showing off this beautiful new gear and this sprocket and chain drive. Nice fresh gear on the bottom as well, and beautiful stainless steel body. If you have any questions about what this machine can do, measurements, voltages, amperages, your application, and whether this seems like a good fit for it, give us a call at 315-589-4511. We'd be happy to talk to you about it, and we have lots of other equipment in stock. If this isn't the right thing, maybe we have the right thing to recommend. This is Alard. Again, this is Alard item Y4800, a Rietz RE-24 EXTRUCTOR. It is, as of this video, in stock, in excellent operational, mechanical, cosmetic, and electrical condition. Available from Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York for immediate shipment.